Welcome back to CodeCraft by MAK. In the last video, we learned about operators in Python, arithmetic, comparison, and logical. Now it's time to see how Python makes decisions using conditional statements. Conditional statements let your program choose different actions depending on whether a condition is true or false. In Python, we use if, elif, and else. The if statement checks a condition. If it's true, the code inside runs. For example, age is equal to 18. If age greater than or equal to 18, it will print you are an adult. Here, since age is 18, the condition is true, so Python prints you are an adult. Sometimes we want to handle both cases, when a condition is true and when it is false. That's where if else comes in. For example, age is equal to 15. If age greater than or equal to 18, print you are an adult, else print you are a minor. In this case, this will print you are a minor. What if there are multiple conditions? We use if, elif, else. Example, marks is equal to 75. If marks greater than 90, equal to greater than or equal to 90, print grade A. Elif marks greater than or equal to 75, print grade B. Elif marks greater than or equal to 50, print grade C, else print fail. In our case, it will print grade B as marks are less than or equal to greater than or equal to 75. We can also use nested if statements, and if inside another if. For example, age is equal to 20. If age greater than or equal to 18, if age less than 60, print you are an adult but not a minor citizen. In this case, Python check both the conditions, if age is greater than 18 and also it is less than 60. So that's how Python makes decision using if, elif, and else. In the next video, we will learn about loops in Python, how to repeat tasks with for and while loop. If you are finding this series helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson right here on CodeCraft by MAK. Thank you.